Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an editor to your WordPress website. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add a new editor. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your WordPress website. Then on the left-hand side, underneath where it says users, highlight that. Then click on Add User. So this is where you can enter your username, email, their first name, last name, website, and password. And then underneath Role, you're going to click on this toggle button and then select Editor. So once you click on Add User, which is located here, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add an editor to your WordPress website. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.